Suggesting changes in entities in CIViC is easy. Simply identify an entity you wish to edit and click on the pencil icon in the top left-hand corner. This will redirect you to the Edit form. Here you can make changes to any and all fields you wish to edit. Just like the Add page, there are both text-based fields and more structured fields which provide a pull-down menu of a set number of options. Once you've made your suggested changes to whichever fields you wish, add a reason why you made those changes. Comments are required to assist editors in evaluating the reason for your suggested change. Descriptive comments are greatly appreciated. Once you are happy with both your suggested changes and their description, you can go ahead and click Submit. You can now click View It here or scroll up to the Evidence Talk page. The exclamation point indicates there is a pending revision. Hover text describes exactly which fields were changed. View the suggested revision by clicking on the Talk tab. Here you can see the full history of the entity, and in this case, there's only been one suggested revision. The revision is presented in a GitHub-style diff format where you can see that the text TP53 was deleted.